Yonkor kwa Wilfred Bosire, chairman ya Contractors Kisii County. Intue unaba contractor etugwata mangana abere tuacha sekoti etokonye. Ringane limo niria contractor yemo ase constituency ekowe para chionsi kie constituency. Yonga chi contractor nkianda chioka. Iko tuwa chi contractor erfwe yemo aya bande bakogenda. Elia kabere amangana pending bill. Aba contractor mbanya kwa kontiba sa chiabo tukabike kina ekoti etokonye egera bakana. Aso gokumigwa ito ase rero igotubwate ngana county ya chire egocha kurwa maaki ase koti ngabantu mba kinange tegererwa litkoli goro bato ete ode goteba nge kai kinete ruchi tariki isano na ibere omutinyo ogucha era nto beke ode nde ya sachi buto wa chensi bamenye gotoa richi tanda chikali kugurwa tare 19 tuakanire ekora bagotoya oda ebintu bitara iguru byose.
The General Kisii County Contractors Association. Iwanaga ni goteba nga intu twachire koti korigia ekoti nyare gotokonya etenenie procurement process yo chikorigora chi document tware korwa kiyogo chikokorega asi ya monto yomo ago chikokorega asi Kisii County as kere constituency. Iwonto taki contractor kiana na chegabana ya Kisii ose system ya Kisii etakitokobeka gotogoteba iga abantu bonse pi 1000 contractors ase ngido na liberalized economy wawenda kwa ulibaga wa participate oyo konyorega ase nyore oyo tari konyora tanyora lakini tari nga serikali enyene etene ninga te kwa abantu abagasi yera omonto yomo ase constituency.
My name's Hoffman Ondieki. I'm the coordinator of the association. There is issues that I want to raise, and serious issues, and I'm before the courts where we want justice to all our 450 contractors. We did an application to this court, honorable court, the judiciary, to help the contractors who have suffered because they have never been paid for 2 years in time right now. Most of our contractors are in hospitals. Most of our contractors, the kids can't be able to go to school. So we came to the courts because we were seeking justice. But unfortunately, I want to put it very clear that yesterday when we were supposed to get, the file came here from Nairobi last week. But when we were supposed to get the orders yesterday, for 2 hours, we were waiting as petitioners. For 2 hours, they were with the Attorney General. Later on, he gave the orders that the file will be listened to on 7th November. We have done the counter attorney. We have done the application today because this is a matter of urgency. We have done the application today. And again, the judge has given us that this file is going to be listened on 19th. We are saying in this country, where is justice? Where is justice to the people who are suffering outside there? We are saying this, we will fight to the last bit of our life. Have our contractors suffer because one man has come here, he wants to make us suffer, he wants to make the 450 contractors suffer over our dead body. If they want to arrest, let them arrest all of us.
I'm Kennedy Nyakundi Mariera, the chairman of Lake Region Contractors Association. I'm talking on behalf of the contractors in the Lake Region, the 14 counties. I want also to advise the governor of Kisii County government, Honorable Simbarati, let him pay the bending bills because bending bills is a must. Advice to Simbarati, look at today's paper, look at what Moranga has done. The nation of today, Moranga has advertised jobs and they have given the residents the 35 wards devolution pesa yende mashinani tanachensi. Kwa hivyo watu wa Kisii Contractors Association, Secretary General, the Chairman, the Lake Region, bro, we are behind you and we are advising all the 14 governors in the Lake Region, please advise the Kisii County Governor.